Hey guys, welcome back to NextGenBlogger, and in this video I want to show you how to create a simple animation in Blender. Now it's actually super easy to create animation in Blender. So without further delay, let's get started and see how you can do this. Now to demonstrate this, I've already added a UV sphere. And what we are going to do is we will create an animation where this sphere is dropping from some height, hitting the ground, and then bouncing off to a different direction. Now to do this, you must first decide the duration of the animation. So let's say I want the duration of the animation to be 3 seconds. Now check the project frame rate to find out the total number of frames required to create this animation. And as you can see, the project frame rate is 24 frames per second, which means for a 3-second animation, we will require 72 frames. Next, what you need to do is you need to drag this timeline editor upwards like this. And the denominations that you see right at the top, they are in frames. So this is the first frame, this is the 10th frame, this is the 20th frame, this is the 30th frame, 40th frame, and so on and so forth. Now, we already know that we need 72 frames to create the animation. And so, in the final frame text box, you need to write the value 72 and now press enter on the keyboard. Next, you need to insert keyframes at appropriate positions in the timeline to create the animation. So first, move the cursor to the first frame and now move the sphere to its initial position. So let me grab the sphere by pressing the letter G on the keyboard. And now let me activate the x-axis. And now move the sphere along the x-axis like this. Now once again grab the sphere by pressing the letter G on the keyboard. And this time activate the z-axis. Now move the sphere along the z-axis like this. Perfect. This location looks fine. Now insert a keyframe by pressing the letter I on the keyboard. And as you can see, a keyframe has been inserted on the first frame. Next, move the cursor somewhere around the halfway point, which is the 36th frame. And now move the sphere somewhere around here. So to do that, once again, grab the sphere by pressing the letter G on the keyboard. Next, activate the z-axis by pressing the letter Z on the keyboard. And now move the sphere below like this. And once again, grab the sphere by pressing the letter G on the keyboard and activate the x-axis and move the sphere somewhere around here. Perfect. Next, you need to press the letter I on the keyboard to insert a keyframe in this particular position in the timeline. So press the letter I. And as you can see, a keyframe has been inserted at this particular position. Next, you need to move the cursor and place it at the last frame, which is the 72nd frame. And now you need to move the sphere to its final position somewhere around here. So to do that, first grab the sphere by pressing the letter G on the keyboard and now activate the x-axis and now move the sphere like this and once again grab the sphere by pressing the letter G on the keyboard and this time activate the z-axis and now move the sphere upwards like this. Perfect. Next, you need to insert a keyframe. So press the letter I on the keyboard and this will insert a keyframe at the last frame, that is the 72nd frame in the timeline. And we are done. And so now if I play this animation for you, so this is the animation that we have created. Now, one thing that I want to tell you is that the animation that you are right now currently seeing, it is in the levels viewport. But the real animation is that which is captured by the camera. So let me just open up the camera view and now let me play the animation for you. And as you can see, the camera is not capturing the entire animation. So what you need to do is you need to press the letter N on the keyboard. Next, you need to go to the View tab, and right here you need to select this option, that is Camera to View, and now zoom out your camera so that it captures the entire animation. And so now if I just quickly play the video for you, so as you can see, still the camera is not capturing the entire animation. So let me just adjust the frame of my camera like this. And once again, let me just play the animation for you. Yes. So this is how you can create a simple animation in Blender. Now, one final thing that I would like to tell you is how you can export this animation. So to export this animation, you need to go to Output Properties, and right at the end, you're going to find this Output section. Next, you need to select the folder where you want the animation to be exported. So I have created a folder in Downloads titled Blender Output. So let me double click on it and now click on this Accept button. Next, you need to select the file format. So currently PNG is selected inside file format. So you need to click on this drop down list, and now you need to select this option, that is FFmpeg video. Next, go to the render menu and now click on this option, that is render animation, and we are done. So this is how you can actually create a simple animation in Blender. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.